All right, we are about to go across the world's highest motorable road at 18,000 feet. I'm excited. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be a great adventure. And today's vlog, I'm going to attempt in Hindi. So if you hear some crazy words, I'll put some subtitles, but I'm going to attempt to speak Hindi in this entire vlog. So wish me luck. मैं इस vlog में हिंदी में बात करूँगा. Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries, and the adventure continues. Good morning everybody, welcome to 5 a.m. We woke up this morning and late, and we are now headed to the world's highest motorable road called Khardungla. Beautiful road, check it out. Sunlight's already peeking through the mountains. And the reason we left early this morning is because we're trying to bypass a checkpoint post, because they give you a lot of problems if you carry a private vehicle through this area, and they charge you money, and it just becomes this huge technical thing that we just did not want to deal with. So we passed the post, nobody was there, and here we are. Vikas is in front of me. We have one other little lonely car about to pass. We're gonna pass Vikas. No, we passed them. Gotta say, the road conditions are quite nice compared to the roads we've been on. Get ready for a great day. Highest motorable road in the world, 18,380 feet. Wow. Good job, look at you. You made it to the highest motorable road in the world on my bike. You're welcome.
Hey Alex.
What's up? We made it.
Victory Lanes again.
For 6 days, we're here. 18,000 feet, almost 6,000 meters. Absolutely incredible. Can't breathe, but I can feel it, I can sense it, and the energy's here. 18,380 feet. Even when you just walk back and forth or you drop something and pick it up, you're actually out of breath. It's pretty intense. 6 days of journey from Delhi all the way here. Couldn't be happier. The sights, the sounds, the smells, the locations, drastic scenery changes has all been amazing. Totally worth it. I guess how do you feel about the reaching the world's highest road?
Cool, very cool. This is my 10th time. Every time it feels special. Something new to it. It was fun doing it on these bikes.
10th time doing it. Pretty crazy. Now what's even crazier, I think, is that we both are having an amazing hair day. Look at that. We both have cool, great looking hair. Doesn't usually happen. It's like 1 in a million, as you've seen by my videos. Good hair day. It's a good day today.
Yeah. Now that's good light there.
That's good lighting. So here's something very interesting about Ladakh, the Himalayas, is that these are prayer flags. You drive a motorcycle to Ladakh, the iconic thing to do is actually place these on your handlebars and have them flap in the wind as you're riding. And right now I am at the highest road in the world, and I decided to finally put them on because I feel like there's a sense of accomplishment here. It's taken days and effort and sacrifice and money and time to get here. Little prize at the end of the road. It's pretty much like a rite of passage. If you guys ever ride a motorcycle, be sure to do this. Connect with the road, connect with the bike, connect with the environment, because this is what it's all about. It's those small details that really make the trip stand out. Anyway, we are absolutely freezing. Our hands are like cold, ice cold. There's snow, a little glacier over there. I cannot wait to show you guys the cinematic video. I cannot wait to create it. I'm thinking about the soundtrack, I'm thinking about transitions. This one I think is gonna be one of the more interesting and better videos I've ever done. I'm shooting everything in log, so it's super high resolution and crazy color correction, so it's gonna look very cinematic and it's gonna be really exciting. Couldn't have done it without my buddy Vikas over here. Doing a great job, great teamwork. So I couldn't ask for a better friend or a better partner in this filming expedition of ours. Thank you, man.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah. Fortunately, Vikas had a little bit of an accident. His GoPro actually fell and there's a crack on the side. The sacrifices of the filming. How did you feel when the GoPro fell? Or how did you feel when you saw it cracked, I should say?
Heartbroken. Fine, it's done its job. I don't think it's affecting the camera yet. As long as we get good footage.
Good footage, all matters. And check it out. He has joined the club because mine got ran over by a truck twice. And yeah, it's pretty much broken here. But it still shoots, still does what it needs to do. So remember, you don't need fancy camera gear. You can just take one GoPro and do that. Remember, my viral video, Alaska, Argentina, 500 days, one GoPro HD2 on top of my helmet for 10 minutes. Went viral, you know, 3 million views now. Doesn't matter, not the camera, it's the story. See you down at the valley. All right, so one thing I've learned so far is definitely get to Khardungla early in the morning because it starts getting busy. Taking a picture by yourself just gets increasingly more difficult throughout the day. Alright, so after freezing ourselves the last 2.5 hours, we are now warming up with a wonderful glass of chai. My favorite drink in all of India. Ah, it's hot. My hands are absolutely freezing because I don't have the proper gloves for cold weather. Ah! Here go the clean pants. You know, I flew from South America, I left all my stuff there, and I don't have the proper attire for a trip like this. I have a gray jacket, gray pants, but the gloves are missing. The idea behind this is that it doesn't matter what gear you have. I see people with just normal jackets, North Face jackets. They get past the comfort zone. Your true adventure and journey begins once you pass your uncomfortable zone, limit of comfort. Once you pass that point, you're truly in your own world. You're past your barriers. You're past everything that's ever held you back in life. And I like my chai ekdam karam. ये मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा ड्रिंक है. Chai done, और हम अब नुब्रा जा रहे हैं. Let's go. चलो. So we saw this great river and we decided to stop, take a break, because it's so hot now. We were freezing up at 18,000 feet and now we're down to 10,000 feet, but it feels like the desert. It's really hot. Woo! Because it's layering down because we still had our winter gear, so we took everything off. Here's the thing about driving a motorcycle around the world, whether it be this one in India, anywhere else. When you drive a bike, you're never truly 100% comfortable. You're either hot, you're cold, and if you're lucky, sometimes you're in that neutral zone, but not always. So as they say, if it was easy, everybody would do it. It's not easy. It's a difficult way to travel. It's hard on your body, an awesome experience and adventure. And I love doing it in different countries because it's just so adventurous and so crazy. I love it. And so uncommon and extraordinary. I mean, it just gives you these wonderful experiences that normal traveling doesn't give you. That was our break. Time for water. Back on the road. So here's a very fun bloopers.
Vlog.
मैं इस vlog में ये मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा drink है Indian chai.
You're gonna cut that out? Are you mad?
So adventure starts as soon as you pass your stamping
You step out of your comfort zone.
Adventure starts when you step out of your comfort zone. That's the message today. Thanks, Vikas. So he was actually guiding me along the lines because I really didn't know the saying. I just knew things around it.